Hello, my name is Jordi Alvarez Pacheco, and this is my presentation on Toyota supply, demand, and market structure. Contents: Introduction, supply, demand, market structure, conclusion. We're excited. Introduction. Kishoro Toyoda is the founder of Toyota Motor Corporation. Toyota is founded in 1937 in Japan. Toyota's production increased in 2023 by nearly 7% and produced 8.69 million units this year. Toyota is at the top of competition for automakers. They stay at the top by adapting and working through supply and demand structures and a highly competitive oligopoly market structure. To stay successful, Toyota supply management has to read and adapt to the demand, which is a key part of staying on top of Toyota's market structure. Supply chain. Toyota supply chain management strategic thinking has proven to be a big part in their success. Toyota simplifies their supply chain process in order to reduce costs at times of setting prices and gets their product to the market faster, which is a good thing in the long run. When getting their vehicles to the market faster, they are able to respond to any concerns and questions effectively. Supply management makes minimal waste to their materials and increase efficiency. Minimal waste to materials can also make more profit and less loss. Through the strategic supply chain navigation of Toyota, they achieve customer satisfaction and loyalty, which is success. A happy customer is a loyal customer, inferring that the loyal customer will continue to buy Toyota products. Demand for vehicles. Recently, there has been a high demand for the materials of plastic and steels. Polypropylene, an ingredient for making plastic, has dramatically increased in value. In 2021, it increased by 115%, according to Tom Sancillo and Suzanne Mati. As of November of 2023, steel prices have increased by 2.54%, according to Metal Miner. According to Metal Miner. This higher demand for materials forces Toyota to raise their prices higher overall. Higher income can ease the tension of the higher vehicle prices in order for people to buy cars. As seen recently, a lot of financing agencies have opened, influencing people to buy cars with less stress. These agencies can influence car buying because they can assist financially. Since fuel prices continue to rocket up, the demand of certain types of vehicles is more specific to their functions. An example of this is the increase of production and demand for the hybrid type vehicles because they are fuel efficient. Quote, U.S. crude climbed as much as 1.7% on Monday, Egan 2023. In order to work with demand, Toyota is forced to price their cars a little higher due to the demand of the materials being used. Moreover, once the vehicles are in the market, they need to be affordable. Agencies assist with the vehicle affordability. Demand can be determined through factors that the future will be facing. This is a graph for plastic resin prices, and this graph goes up to 2021. Market structure. Toyota's market structure is an oligopoly. There's a few car brands that dominate the market in places like supply and demand. Some of these other brands include Honda, Nissan, Chevy, and others. In Malaysia, Toyota is one of the top car makers controlling the market. In 2011, the share of the market for Toyota was 15.1%, which sits lower than the brands above but has a solid standing ground from the brands below. Honda owns 7.1% of the market. Toyota sits in a solid spot in their market, which is a good thing. Toyota has to stay competitive because other car brands may do things better, but when they do that, Toyota has to do something even more better. It's just a repeating cycle that continues for all car brands in the market. The market is a buildup of actions and reactions. Competitors rely on one-upping each other all the time. While competing with other brands, Toyota has to figure out ways to satisfy customers. Quote, Toyota's global sales jumped 9% in August to a record 923,180 vehicles. Arthur Walla 2023. Toyota's market structure is highly competitive, which forces Toyota to learn to adapt and to constant changes with the competition while satisfying customers. Toyota's spot in the market is a decent one and holds up for its competition. This is another graph of market share of the high rank brands. And as we can see, Toyota has 17% on that circle graph. But over here on this other graph, we see that Toyota is placed at 3 at the third spot, and it has a total market share of 15.1%. Conclusion. Toyota works with several portions of its company to be successful. I learned that the supply chain management is a key factor for Toyota's success. Being able to supply strategically has led to a solid loyalty from customers. Another thing that helps Toyota is its ability to adapt to changes. Toyota adapts to what's demanded for people's needs, making this adaptation a top-selling strategy. While Toyota works on their supply and demand, they face heavy competition. I learned that to stay on top of their game, Toyota has to constantly one-up their competitors. Being able to strategically move and navigate through its market structure has led to a high-ranking spot for Toyota. Toyota's spot proves to be successful in customer satisfaction and profit. This is my Works At It page. Thank you.